Hey, are you one of the people that got cheated out of a Shamrock Shake this year from McDonald's? You know, there are a lot of places in the country, they're not even serving them. It kind of sucks, doesn't it? It's one of my favorite little treats. I have one every March. But today, we're gonna show you how to make the very same shake from scratch, plus a healthy version for those of you who follow me for the health and wellness on the channel. So here we go. Well, hey, it's Chris Gibson, and St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and like I said, one of the hallmarks of this holiday, besides all of the drinking that will take place this weekend, is the ever popular Shamrock Shake that came out in 1970 from McDonald's. It is one of those items that they only serve once a year for about 23 days, and people go nuts for it. Unfortunately, in a lot of places like Florida and Texas, you can't even get the dang thing. So people are kind of ticked off. So I decided to put together this quick video on how to make the real thing and also how to make a healthy version. But before I get into that, please, if you haven't, by all means, subscribe and keep up with us. We have a lot of fun videos on food, fitness, and skincare, all for you, because this is the channel where we make you feel good by looking good. All right, so let's talk about the Shamrock Shake. What you're gonna need: 2 cups of real ice cream, vanilla ice cream, use the real thing. 3/4 a cup of half and half, and you're gonna add to that in your blender 10 drops of food coloring, and then half a teaspoon of peppermint extract or mint extract. A lot of people like mint, that is traditional, but the peppermint is very, very similar if you can't find the mint. Do not overdo the amount of this liquid that you put in there, because if you do overdo it, it'll overtake the shake and it won't taste right. It'll taste like some kind of extract, which is what you're using. So you're gonna do this, you're gonna put it in the blender and mix it up really, really well. You're gonna end up with this little baby here. And I highly recommend that we put a little whipped cream on it, just like they do, and we top it with the cherry, if that's your thing, and voila. Here it is, the Shamrock Shake. That's absolutely it. That's absolutely the thing. It's so good, you won't ever miss out on these again. Now, for those of you who follow me for healthy versions of things on the channel, do I have a deal for you? I'm gonna give you the healthy, quick way to make one of these that tastes almost identical, but you're not gonna believe the ingredients in it. It's crazy. All you need for this is 2 cups of milk of your choice, almond, coconut, or even dairy, you can use that. A half a teaspoon of mint extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, you gotta add that in since we're not using ice cream. 3/4 a cup of maple syrup, which is what makes it sweet. Yes, believe it or not, the maple syrup works. It won't take over and taste like maple. 1 cup of raw spinach leaves and 4 cups of ice. And when you make that, you're gonna end up with this version of it, because no whipped cream, no cherry on top, unless you just wanna kind of ruin the deal. It's a lot darker in color than the original. That's actually very tasty. I think I might have to replace my protein shakes with this. This is really good. Anyway, for those of you who would like to get the recipe and checklist of these ingredients, please look in the video description box below and click on the link and go to chrisgibsonlive.com and sign up and get the recipes delivered right into your inbox. Easy as that. See you on the flip side in the next video.